Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going down tomorrow for the second straight week. The price for 87 and 90 gasoline will cost $2.72 less. That brings those two prices to the lowest they've been in 9 months. Automotive diesel is down by $3.06, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is costing $2.25 less. The price of kerosene will go down by $2.85. Propane will cost $1.50 less, while butane will cost 25 cents more. At least one player in the energy sector is calling for the government to be more transparent regarding the island's energy supply. Managing Director at MPC Renewable Energies, David Delaire, says investors won't know where to put their money if they're left in the dark. Here is TVJ's Andrew Ladley.
The government wants 50% of the island's electricity generation to come from renewables by 2030. In order to achieve that target, the government will need buy-in from renewable energy investors. But Managing Director at MPC Renewable Energies, David Delaire, says there are concerns.
In my view, perhaps there could be a bit more transparency as to what is happening in terms of the energy supply in the country. That would give investors more confidence in investing in the country.
He argues that the government should consider a round-table meeting with all the stakeholders.
What needs to be done is a collaborative effort. Private sector, the government, the regulators, and the utility need to come together and create the framework and, of course, the environment where they can present information to the public in general to inform them that this is where we're going for the future and we want you to participate in it because it is about you and not about us.
He also highlighted that there needs to be balance regarding environmental concerns and the proposed business plans.
Yes, JPS has to make profit. Yes, the regulators have to enforce the laws. Yes, the government has to set the policies. And yes, us as an investor, of course, we have to make profit. But we need to keep that in mind in a social perspective. And we need to keep that in mind in an environmental perspective. So we want to do all those things I said, but we don't want to damage the environment, and we want to make sure that the community, the society, is benefiting from those things also.
Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136, the Canadian dollar $102.01. The pound sterling is costing $164.27, while the euro sells for $150.34. The JSE index lost 2,465 points today, and the junior market index is down by 15 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living, Sterling Investments, Epley, Stationery and Office Supplies, and Kingston Wharves. On the losing side were Lasco Financial Services, Jamaica Producers Group, Salada Foods, Blue Power Group, and the JMMB Group 7.5%. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.